there, kids! Welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is on the people and places in the community. We will learn about the various groups of people in a community and local government area. We will also learn about important places in a community or local government area. Kids, are you excited for today's lesson? Yay! Now let's begin. Before we talk about the people and places in a community, let's find out what a community is. A community is a group of people staying together in a small area or place. These people can be seen in a neighborhood, village, town, or city. The two types of community are a traditional community and a modern community. A traditional community is made up of a group of people that are living in the same place. Now, these people are closely related and have the same culture. A village is an example of a traditional community, and an example of a traditional community is Ikot Ekpene in Akwa Ibom State. Now, let's look at a modern community. A modern community is made up of a group of people from different ethnic groups. They have different histories and different cultures. A city is an example of a modern community, and an example of a modern community is Lagos State. Kids, people living in a community share common things like 1. Buying things from the same market. 2. Going to the same school. 3. Using the same sources of water. And 4. Attending the same church or mosque. These people could be from the same or different ethnic groups such as Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, and many others. They can also have different work, but when you are in a community, everyone lives, works, and solves their problems together for the good of the community. Now, a community can be a small village or a local government area. A local government area has some villages and towns that are close to one another in a state. Your school is also located in one local government area. The people there work together and share a lot of things together, just like in a smaller community. Examples of local government area in Nigeria with different people are 1. Dala Local Government Area in Kano State, which has Hausa, Fulani, Yoruba, Igbo people, and others. 2. Nsukka Local Government Area in Enugu State, which has the Igbos, Hausas, Idoma, Ijaw people, and others. 3. The Akinyele Local Government Area in Oyo State, which has Yorubas, Ibiras, Hausas, Igbos, and other people. 4. Yenagoa Local Government Area in Bayelsa State, which has the Ijaws, Yorubas, Idoma people, and others. In a community or local government area, there are lots of important places. Some of these important places are markets. This is a place where people buy and sell things like books, foodstuffs, clothes, and other items. Hospitals. This is a place where a sick or injured person receives treatment. Nurses and doctors work there and they treat people. Places of worship. This is a place where people perform religious ceremonies. This could be a church, mosque, or shrine. Schools. People come together to learn in a school, village square, or community hall. Events in the community takes place in a village square. Events like dancing, festivals, and others. Palace. A palace is a place where traditional rulers stay and rule their community or local governments. Visitors are also received in a palace. Police station. A police station is the office of a police officer. They are meant to maintain law and order in the community. Local government secretariat. A secretariat is an office building where local government workers perform their duties. A refuse dump site or incinerator. A refuse dump or incinerator. This is a piece of land or a container where people dump things that are no longer useful to them. This is to keep the environment clean. A motor park. This is a place where people traveling in and out of town get taxis or buses. Kids, we've come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we have learned what a community means and the different groups of people and the important places in a community or local government area. Kids, it's time to answer some questions about what we learned. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.